For 32 bullets.
That is gay, dude. I swear I shot 1,000,000,001.
Hey, I could have knifed that guy.
You didn't say
I'm
shit.
joking. I'm
Yeah, why?
joking. I'm joking.
Dude, what do you think my drop's gonna be? Am I getting a red? Am I getting the AWP? Or am I getting the AK? What do you think? I'm pretty humble, so maybe I'll only get a pink instead of red. Maybe instead of getting a CS2 case, I'll only get a Bravo case, which is worth about half. You know, I am humble.
You saw that?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, you did.
It's diffusing? No?
What?
Yo, what?
What the fuck?
Oh, I'm tagged up.
Outside, you know. Can you kill that guy?
Yeah. He's not gonna
He's
repeat.
already
He's not repeating. He's not repeating.
That is crazy.
Oh, yeah.
Shit, man. Dude, I swear, network jitter has to be the worst thing I've ever experienced in a video game.
Amen, brother.
Dude, he's a min-maxer, bro. So I think he can min-max.
I'm mid-maxing our team's money right now, so that we have an equal distribution of wealth. No, I'm not a communist.
I might be better.
Bruce fucking software pirate.
Pirates.
Pirate software.
Silo.
Yeah, okay. I'm not gonna do that. 24 and 3. Yeah, fuck you, buddy. Why can my team not hold it down?
God, this fucking shit is atrocious, man.
How do I only have 7
Kinda wanna
kills?
hop
I feel like I have
outside.
1,000,000. That is not what I wanted to do.
Questionable. Well, you can't go there anymore, dude.
I have a kit. I can wait. I don't have a kit.
You don't have kit.
I miss my smoke.
God, fuck this head jitter, bro. It's killing me. I'm so mad.
Smoke.
Alright, I'll pop door. Somebody smoke mini.
No, I'm first. What is this
Say
guy
you got
saying?
it.
Man?
Let's say you
I
got
got it. I got it.
I don't like this at all.
He's
Same.
gonna push the smoke, bro. No way he didn't.
Oh.
What? Why wouldn't you push the smoke there?
That's what I'm trying to find out.
That was disgusting. That was gross.
Well, what do we? Because I'm 16K.
I know more than you.
Oh wait, that 18K. Oh my god, that 9K, bro. We should be scared of 9K.
Guys, I need to harvest your bandwidth.
Run back, run back. Not on it, not on it.
Awkward.
Jesus Christ, watching.
There's no way.
What am I watching?
Dude, that was perfect.
Nice.
Good shit. You
Brought
guys are
it back.
goated. Thank you so much for a carry.
This guy's going 17 and 14.
This guy.
Well,
He's
I'm
positive.
grateful,
Wait, you're
but
not even top 8. No, he's fucking
worst
positive.
lag known to man. He was coming around to you, the knower.
Dude.
Alright.
I am so
Shit.
sorry.
Oh,
You got this.
Is it planned for
It's
me at
planned for you,
least?
your plan for you, plan for you. You can see, yep, right there. Might be on it.
There's no way. There's no fucking way. You're insane.
That's
Holy
messed
fuck.
up.
Good shit, yo. GG.
That's fucking